PICO-8. No, that's the PICO-8. Where's my VS Code? I have too many things open. So yeah, welcome back everyone. Weekend, which is PICO-8 on this channel. And we are trying to finish the 20-second game jam entry we started. If you're not familiar with it, blah 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 blah. 20 sec. We made this little Duck Hunt versus Suika game versus DDR kinda game for the jam. So we are trying to finish this today. We have some music waiting to be put in. So let's try and make the best of that music. And maybe we can put that under the game. So our to-do list. Hold on, we have a text for that text file. Also, let's pull a bit on the music. To-do. So if I go back to the coding scene, there is no to-do list. Where is my to-do list? To-do. So with the cobblestoning, we don't care. On the tick start we have already made. Language support is left. More SFX is done. Let's see. Hold on, let me start the game. We have the endless mode and the 20-second mode. Oh yeah, we need different leaderboards. Leaderboards. Wax leaderboard. We need one. Hold on. Leaderboard. 20 sec. Leaderboard. Leaderboard endless. We want to have a separate leaderboard for high score for the endless mode and one for the 20-second mode. Yeah. What else? We start the game. Does anything come up to me? Maybe fruits could still spawn a little more. Well, little more to the up. Ooh, down. Oh, it's up down. That. That up. Yeah, that clear button was a nice solution. Nice suggestion. It's a better word, not solution. I think we are playing on endless. That would be a nice addition to indicate which mode we are in. Ooh, that's a double kill. So on endless, basically, your time is always decreased by the amount of the fruits points. So as long as you can shoot down fruits in a fast enough manner, you can go infinite. But this is the endless mode, not the 20-second mode that is made for the jam. At least I hope. Let's wait a bit and see if the time will end for us. If not, then we have an issue in the background. fruits are speeding up. That is what we want. We don't have any print age. Yeah, I don't. Oh wow, this goes. What? We may have a problem with the endless mode then. Yeah, this seems like there is an issue with the endless mode. Fix endless. No, hold on. Age. This is our draw call. Let's have a second printout. So print seconds. Yeah, this is just the difficulty scaling. Seconds is what we want. Oh, we have it already here. This is the game print. Which print is it? It's the draw game. Okay, let's see. Let's start the endless. Oh no, you can just rack up really high points, it seems. Yeah, the time is ticking, we just made so many points there. Didn't really matter. Yeah, we already have 70 seconds on our timer. Okay, we might need to tune down the score gain on endless, because I can just sit here for 1.5 minutes and do nothing. So let's see, seconds. Not plus equals, minus equals, no. Bullet.target.type. Yeah, here, this is where we play around with the endless. So we might just do the trick that we use for categorizing the fruits into 6, which is basically sealing the half of the fruits type. So it will be always at least 1. Is that too much? Or did I start that? I probably didn't start in endless. Hold up. That's this. Oh, you are this, you are this. Yeah, it's much harder to gain so much time with this. Okay. So endless we have under control, it seems like. So we can grab that out. Leaderboard for 20 seconds and for endless. Let's do that next, okay? We can grab the terminal down. So we have the normal high score in the 0 in the card data. How about we grab saved high score and just rename it to save high score 420, and we're gonna have a different one for the endless mode. Saved high score for endless equals dget1. If saved high score for endless is nil, then save high score for endless should be 0. Okay, and now when we end the game, we want to check if... Yeah, that's this part exactly. So let's save our score into either 20-second record or endless record. The scene change can be at the end. Change back to menu scene. And now here we want to check if we are in game mode 1. Game mode equals 1 and game mode 1 is 20 seconds. Game mode 2 is endless. Right? We can check it by the bullet code when we add the scrolls. It's big M, not a small one. It's game mode. House. If game mode 2. And save high score is bigger than the save high score for endless. Then you want to save this, so saved high score for endless is now equal to the score and reset 1 score. Update in game loop endless. Save to card data and do this up here as well. And now in the menu when we print outline or I need an endless for... Oh my god. Yeah, now we will need oh, I need to comment this whole code, Jesus. If we played at least a game, will the last score be achieved? Grab score text from localization. I think that's with a Z. Localization array. Print the text. If we have at least one high score saved, print it. Grab high or string out of localization array. And append score to it. And high score. Print, and we want this exact same just for the endless mode. At least one 20 sec. Not sex, sec. That's a really different word. At least one endless high score. We'll just replace this with endless. And here we don't have this text, but we cannot do. So now we can print the endless high score, but we need to jump up to the top and we need to add an endless text. Endless best. I have no idea how we will say that in Tokipona, but that is for the future me to worry about. Végtelen record is in Hungarian, and now we should be able to hold on, let me do an endless. So these 10 should be our high score now for endless. Let's wait for it to decay or be over. 10 more seconds where we stare at each other. Oh, we need to print endless best. So now, as you can see, it is obstructing the best score, and that is because endless. That's saving it. We want to print it not at 2 but or at, sorry, what? Yeah, not at 2 but at 10. So now you can see that we have an endless best and we have a best. I kinda don't like the endless. That's just too much text for me. Also, I don't get Why the second print? Oh yeah, because positions. We don't need you. Go away. Yeah, that endless best is a bit too long for my taste. What to do? What to do? Hi Maud. Welcome. Welcome, welcome. How you doing? How you doing? Good to see you. That kiss to you as well. We are trying to make something better for this endless best because it is way too long. In light them. Hello PICO-8 friend. Hello friend, how you doing? Welcome to the stream. I hope I figured how to say that name out loud, but if not, I'm sorry. I'm really bad with names. We are doing our 20-second game jam entry and trying to figure out how to print that endless best and best better, because they are taking up a bit more space on the screen that I would love. And I don't want to translate them either into other languages. You got it? Thank you. I was just confused because, you know, there is the word enlighten and I was like, that's not how. Yeah, so brain fart. So yeah, we have 3 languages supported, and so if I, for example, switch to Hungarian, our text is even longer. And let's not speak about Tokipona because I have no clue from the top of my head how you would even say endless in Tokipona. So we might just go back to some kind of iconography. But if you haven't seen the project, we combined basically Duck Hunt with a DDR game and the Suika game that is everywhere on the internet. Because our little witch is tired of all the fruits. So we are shooting them down. It is going for the 20-second game jam, where we make games in 20 seconds. And we have an endless mode as well. But yeah, that really long text on the top, I'm not the biggest fan of it. Like last time it was just code and best, and I would be fine with that, but endless best is just way too long. How about we try some iconography? So we're not printing text, but we are printing icons. So for the endless, we would need some kind of infinite symbol. Woodward Bro looks really fun. Thank you, thank you, thank you. It will come out soon. We have most of the things that are needed in place. It's just the final polish basically that is left. Do I want this bigger? Maybe. Hold on, I need to look up how exactly the 20-second logo looks, and then we can try and recreate it. I have references somewhere. I'm pretty sure I saw them. Submissions. Event. Is it on the jam page? So this year we are orange and yellow. So it's like a big circle. Well, let's go of the quarters is orange, not orange, yellow. And we have protrusion as well. I think we could use even a darker color to bring in some, whatchamacallit, the word for color difference, contrast. Tired brain is tired. This is too much because it's not a whole. And we can print 20 in the corner of it. The teachers, hello, welcome, welcome. Hope you're having an amazing day. How you doing, my friend? So now that we have these two icons, where is VS Code? Oh, on the other screen. That's why it was glitchy, sorry. So now that we have these, let's try using them instead of prints. We need the menu. From menu. Or just in the big draw, okay. So here, instead of printing this, let's with sprite draw outline. So this is the 20-second icon, which is 17. We need it at we need it at 128, which is the left side of the screen, minus the length of the high score string, which is this. Oh, we don't have the high string now, so this should be just saved high score. And here as well. And we even need to do 8 more to fit the sprite. It's a 2, and that's all. Oh no, we need the outline color. With the length of global saved high scores for 20. Number value. Oh yeah, that's a number. My bad. Local 20 back string equals to str this. So we convert it to string because PICO-8 cannot do it by itself, and just calculate the length out of that. And now it should go. So it is 70. And for some reason it doesn't print the icon. What? It is not off sync. What the hell? I'm folding laundry while watching. Keep on going, keep on going. It will end at some point. Like, I'm in a love-hate relationship with laundry. Like, I like folding it, but I don't like putting it away, so... Oh, it's 17, not 18. I'm just a stupid donkey. There is nothing on 17. Okay, now we have the icon. It's too low. And it looks like we need to go a bit more to the left. Even more. And let's give it a pixel space. Can I fit 20 into that little corner? I don't think so. I don't think so. Yeah, this is way too low for space. Is it recognizable? We might need to print the 20 on the corner. But first let's do the same here for the, because I like the iconography better, that's for sure. Local endless sec string to str save high score for endless. Print this, get rid of this, grab this. So this is 16. This should be, I don't know, 11 for now. And we need the length of this one. N? What? Oh, like nil, there is no H constraint. Maybe that endless icon can be bigger. But first let's try printing the 20 for the 20-second. So how about we just do a simple print with which color? Hold on. What color do they use on the logo? It's the bright yellow. So that is 11. So print 20. And this, but even less because we have two characters. 3 pixels for one character plus the space in the middle, so that's 7. So this is 108. And this is 2 and 11. Oh, that's a bit too far. And took down. Yep, a bit more in. Isn't the yellow the 11? Is the yellow the 10? Oh, it's the 10. 11 is the green. Okay. We can go back one more. And maybe we can try it with an outline print. Outline. Let's go back to 112. And I want the dark outline. That's too big. I don't want to go much bigger sprites. So maybe if I... I don't like the text. I think just the icon. Yeah, I think just the icon is fine. Also, I want a semicolon to separate. Yeah, there is a semicolon there, but not there. Why? Because of this. Okay, let's make that infinite symbol a bit bigger. So how does an 8 look if I add one more pixels? It doesn't look like an infinite symbol. Maybe I need a second color. This is not dark enough. Oh, nice. I like that. I like that. Let me show you, by the way. This is now small in the corner, but I'm not sure if I like the lavender or the just the light gray. But the icon is definitely much better. Let's place it a bit better. I think the 20 string can go. I never watched anyone develop before. It's interesting. I'm not the best example for developing online. I'm just a lucky monkey who can type things well together after each other. I would love to see Fred develop online. He's the magician of PICO-8. So this is the 20. So let it go one more down. The other text can go at least 2, and we can place the infinite icon a bit more to the up. It's also, sorry, to me, looks like a fun hobby though. If you're interested in game dev, Nerdy Teachers have an amazing tutorial series. Tagging them, so please bothered by the ping. And also a Lazy Devs Academy. They both on the text chat. It's in the wrong place because we were playing in the browser, and probably whoop. But yeah, they both have really good from the ground up teaching courses, basically totally free online. You can watch both of them on YouTube. And Nerdy has I think you have a Breakout and a platformer one, right? Not Breakout, you have a fruit catcher one. And Christman from Lazy Devs Academy has a Breakout tutorial series, a shmup series, which is amazing, the basic one. There is now the advanced running, and they have a roguelike dungeon crawler tutorial as well, but the last two, so the advanced and the roguelike, are tiny bit more technical. Then I would advise for starters, but Nerdy's platformer and Christmas, not Christmas, Christmas, Chris's basic shmup tutorial are both really good starting points. Like they are really well explained, well thought out. I hope the... Bless you. I hope the editor font is not too small. Please do tell me if it's way too small. We just have so much code that is starting to overflow into chat. Where was I? If you enjoy creating games, it's the ultimate form of creating. Exactly. I mean, it can be frustrating on bits if you're a beginner and you're missing little things, and for me, music is what's my biggest hurdle because I have absolutely zero talent for music. But we have music cards where you can borrow people's tracks if you're into that thing. But yeah, just making games and watching people play your games and having fun is, I think, one of the best hobbies. And I forgot the name of the happiness hormone, but it just feels so good when you say serotonin. Yeah? So, something like that. But it just feels so amazing when you can see people play your game and watch them enjoying themselves, having fun. That's like one of the main reasons I do this. And I just like creating. Serotonin. Possibly oxytocin as well. I'm just not like I'm not fully familiar with their names, and even if I know them on my native language. I think that's how you say them. So I'm not English. I'm not born English. It's my second language. So there are a lot of words which escape me from time to time because they either pop into my head in Hungarian or I just don't know them at all. I might want to print the best string somewhere to indicate it that these are your records. But where? Next to the icon. So if you have a score, then that is gonna show up. Double kill. That's the other direction. Oh, there is the cantaloupe. There is the melon. We reached the melon, but so if you have a score, it shows up on the what is the top left. I think we can print the best next to the logo for the 20-second, that little circle. So let's do that. We already know the saved high score for endless. Where are you? Where are you? Here we are. Got around, do a couple of errands. It's fun hanging out. We'll drop a follow. Thank you, thank you. I will come back tomorrow with... Not tomorrow. On Monday. Monday afternoon is a PICO-8 game tryout afternoon. But yeah, it was fun seeing you here. Have a great day. And once again, thank you for the follow. So this is the 20-second. This is the top print. We can just plop this. This is the localized text for our best score. Print score. There is the second warning, because I don't know where that comes from still. Print best text. Print outline. And we need it to this. This is gonna get ugly. And we want to subtract this. Not this, but this. We put it at 3 with one outline. In the best text, before the icon, which is before the 20 sec high score. I think this is the... We might flow into the sprite. So now this is 107. Even more, what? 100? Oh yeah, and the colors are wrong. For this we are using this is the text color. No, this is the outline color and this is the text color. I always mix up the two, but yeah, it's your own code and you still mix it up. That's how you... It's a bit messy, but if I want to keep all of them, we might not need this best, to be honest with you. I think I liked it better without the best text there, but let me start a game, do some shooting, and let it expire and see how it looks if the score is even there, even the score is there. Yeah, with the score it is getting crowded. I don't think we will need this. We will just comment it out and let it be there for people who want to look after the code. Not after the code, but look into the code. Let's get rid of the counter, which is at the bottom of the draw, the normal gameplay draw. Where's the game? I think I like this. Really, it won't crash, right? Because we don't use that text bar. And I get so many advices on the Tokipona Reddit about using text, but sadly most of them don't fit on the screen. Tokipona is not designed to be concise. It's not optimal for the small world of PICO-8 if you're not just using one words to describe things. Okay, so we have the double leaderboard. Oh yeah, language support. At the moment, if I start the game, you can see fire and delete down at the bottom. And if I switch to Tokipona, we won't have a delete one. Same with Hungarian, because at the moment what is this? The upper neighbor is... What is the word? It's flattening some meat. And the whole apartment is booming with the sound. Beating the meat, yeah. There is a word for it, but... so yeah, if you see here, we have fire X, delete circle. We don't have the same for the Tokipona, but then I just made it worse to say. So these are the English texts, these are the Tokipona ones, and these are the Hungarian ones. And inside here, the shoot button doesn't have a full description, because if I want to have it in Hungarian, for example, then we would be törlés. Something, cleaning up something or deleting something is called töröl. And if I have törlés there, I cannot have yet again the actual letters. Then we're gonna have a long ass string on the bottom, yeah. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So the biggest fruit has 6 directions and it will overlap. So this might be another place where we want to use icons instead of text. They don't even know how you say cleaning in Tokipona, because I'm still learning that language, and that is why it is here. It's just a learning exercise, I guess. Hello Google, please, thank you. Not even sure if they have a straight up word for cleaning. To clean, they have. It's tallow. Oh yeah, because tallow means water and liquid and fluid and everything that is associated with that. So as a verb, it means to clean. Okay, so that is not the worst, because I know what we have there. The alasa is not the best word. That means to hunt, and that is a weird word to have it there. But since the whole game's name is Suika Hunt, which in Tokipona is alasa as Suika, which is hunting of the fruits for the Suika, and that's why I have alasa for the button, which is not the best, but other suggestions were even longer. So I think even alasa hello could fit there, but that may be a bit tight. One, two, three, four, five, six. Oh yeah, the wawanasa is what is too long in Tokipona. Oh my god. This is why you don't put localization into your game. Okay, we need 2 new icons. Oh, what is this music? I'm not sure if it is hearable, but it's a nice chip tone drop. Hold on. Hit me with it. Oh, hell yeah. That is an amazing drop, I like it. It's like really minimalistic, but it's into the track nicely. So we need sort of cleaning up. We could do some kind of eraser looking thing. Let's try and find and look into how people like me, like we had all these orange looking rectangles or erasers. I'm not sure if that is like an international thing. Wait, why is it not? I need these. Maybe if I do these triple color. But yet again, it really depends on if the player has ever met erasers like this. So I don't want to have a tutorial because, to be honest, I kind of want to finish the project soon. I don't know. Maybe this looks like an eraser. Hold up. Yeah, I need the free ride. Let's just say this looks like an eraser, and then my job is done. Now we need something to signal that this is the fire button. Well, that will be interesting. Ow. What to draw to signal the player that you should press this button to shoot something? What if I... do this? So like, press this for a projectile. Let's see. So now we jump into the draw game code. That's drawing the bullets. I want the text part. Oh, this is still the update. Hold on, that's why I cannot find it. Here I will draw the fruits. Yeah, here is where we do the text for shooting. So how about text for the clean, for the shoot and clean buttons. Okay, pull it up a bit more. I cannot break that. That's a good line. So let's try draw outline. What is it? It's 18. So we have basically 8 wide characters. So this should be 24, so 104. And the height was 120. Color should be, outline color should be 1. And we do print outline. We grab the ASCII character for the X button. Where is the X button? Where am I ASCII character? Hello? Here? Oh, here, okay. I have Windows notes on the different ASCII characters because I'm not using the built-in text editor. So you want to print this at 112, 120, 71. Marekal Banane? Hello? Hello, my friend. I butchered that name, I'm sorry. I'm not the best with names. That CHA confuses my brain. But hello, welcome to the stream. We are making our game for the 20-second game jam and we are trying to clean up the UI a bit. Because with multiple languages it can be pretty hard to fit text on the screen. So what we are trying to do is on the bottom right corner you should have directions on which button does which. And now we want to introduce some iconography into the game instead of text because multiple of our languages are not playing well with our screen state. So we are trying to add an icon to showcase the shooting and the cleaning up. And those two icons are this little bullet and this little eraser. Or at least that's the first iteration of them. But before it looked like this, which in English is fine. We can fit next to the buttons we press easily. You can overflow, but there is no fruit with that long of a combo string. But the issue is that in other languages this is just way too big of a screen real estate. So that's what we are trying to solve right now. And after that we are free. We will pull in the music I did not so long ago and probably export the game and upload it to the gem page. So yeah, that sprites needs to be up and even more to the left. So let's do them on 96 for example, 104, and let's put the sprite on. The sprite might be too big. We might need to get rid of this last part. We need to bring everything a bit down. Oh wow, the sky is beautiful today. Sun is going down and we have a really dark. Did I move to the wrong? Yeah, Atom. We have a nice little orange band and a dark band and an orange one yet again. With some nice chunky fluffy dark clouds in the middle. So add the other one, the outline. So that is the 19. So if 104 is the text, then this is like 112, 121. One more up, but yes. You know what? We will move the sprite up on the space. On the sprite sheet, we have the space for it. Outline. Let's grab the other ASCII character, which is this one. Let's put it at 120, 121, color 7, and the dark blue for the outline. Yeah. Let's move you up a bit. The spreadsheet. And now let's move them, move all of these to the left by one, so we have a pixel space on the right edge. And I might want a space between the X and the eraser. So you are at 103. You're at 111. This is the ugly magic number part, but that's how UI works in PICO-8. Ooh, I messed something up. This is... oh, this should be 119, probably. Yeah. Sadly, the eraser. If I get rid of this part, it looks weird, right? A bit, yes. Am I fine with it? Maybe. We will have a nice description page on each page, so that is not the end of the world. But people who play from the PICO-8 BBS might be a tad confused. But if they are PICO-8 players, they will see the X and the O, the buttons, and they will try to press them, surely. So I'm not worried about that. Ooh, that was a nice double kill. I was just about to say that this session felt long, but we were at the end of it. Yeah, we just shoot down low post fruits. So only 21. Give a moment. I need to grab some water. Back. So now we have other language support. So the last thing that is left is the music. MSX. I don't think they abbreviated it MSX, but we will go with that. So let me try to find the PICO-8 card. that I used to tinker around with. So fair warning, I'm not a music guy. I never read music. It's not something that I'm good at. Maybe this Untitled 6? No. Oh, I hope I saved that card. Because if not... then I'm gonna get angry. Wait, I can sort by date. It does say Untitled 6, but no. But this does have SFX in it. Untitled 3. Into PICO-8 you check shit. Oh yeah, this is it, okay. I should have used better names than Untitled 3. So I think this is the... Don't let me... It doesn't have anything. So yeah, this is our basic loop. It is following some kind of C scale that I found online. And in theory it only uses 3 channels at most. So we can fit sound effects onto the 4th one. Which will be a tad iffy, but we cannot do much about that. Because I think with less sound channels dedicated to the music, we will get really shallow things. So we'll have to force our sound effects onto the 4th one. But yeah, this is our little loopy loop. So it is, I need to write down the SFX. So give me a moment while I save those. New music. And it is on 0, 10, 11. 0, 10, 11. 0, 12, 13. 14, 15. 14, 15. Then 0. So I know what to... Oh no, these are all okay. So now I need a second PICO-8 window. Hold on. So I want to load back in the 20-second card. You can copy paste these. Can you copy paste the whole music pattern? You can just only do one by one the SFX, right? Oh, I can override. Oh, I cannot. We have some music. You can copy paste these and it will bring over the SFX and all. Oh, I can copy paste the music pattern. What? Hold on. That is new to me. Load Untitled 3. So if I go here, this is the pattern view. Shift click. And if I copied one pattern, hold up, I will need 20 sec. And what is this? think this is the Royal Road thing that we did. But we don't need these. Can I do this and it will clean out? Yes. Oh. Let's clean out the old stuff because I really don't like it. So what you're saying is if I press Ctrl V, pasted one pattern, 15, 16, 17. Oh, and it finds the next 3 SFX spots. Hold on. If yes, this is crazy. What? Okay, Zep is a god. He's just on a different level than us. So I can just do... Hold on. You won't see the second card, but trust me that it exists, okay? I don't have to switch between these two. So load untitled. You saved my day because I was about to just copy each SFX one by one. You should be able to do more than one pattern at a time. Remember doing a whole song at once. Okay, let's pattern view. Yes. Music editor SFX view. Oh, I'm not good with the SFX view. Hold on. Oh, this view confuses me. Yes, you can. Yeah, I'm on a different window, that's why you cannot see it. Sorry. I loaded in another PICO-8. So now... Oh, wait. Okay, yes, you cannot do that. But now where do I place it? Do I place it here? So that is what confusing me in this part. Okay. I did not paste everything. It's a bit weird. That's probably me just. Yes. Let's copy this. I'm totally fine with copying them one by one. Hold on. I think we will be just fine if we copy them one by one. So the first two are the same. The third one is the different one. Yes. So in theory, this is now running in the old card, the gem card. I hope it's not too loud. Like I figured out that I have no idea how loud music is on your end. Because it's a bit different than mine. But seems like we have it. So let's save it. Here's the init. not the SFXU. Okay. Then I should have read up on your guide page, by the way, but that's the other direction. So my issue with this music is I don't like it, but it doesn't want to. I don't want to crawl out of my own skin by listening to it. It might be a bit too loud, but that's all. Music editor, pattern view. Click first pattern, shift click last pattern, copy. Music editor, pattern view. Yeah. It's just confusing because on the SFXU, it does something different. Like somehow it shows which SFX are running, and that's why I was confused. But yeah, you can, seems like you can copy multiple patterns at once. So hopefully you didn't go deaf by listening to it, but this will be our little song. I don't even think we need to tinker with channel restrictions, because I don't think it will come up really often, and even if it does, the sound effects are mostly like the hi-hats. So even if they just cut into the music, it sounds like a hi-hat in the music pattern. Oh, you know what we need to test? The button sounds. Oh, you cannot hear the button sounds at all. Because I think the music is a bit too loud, so let me... So it's from 15, right? Yeah, it's from 15. Volume 3 maybe? Hold up. Everything is at the same volume on the bass. And these are already at 3, seems like. So then I need to tune up the button sounds, okay. Yeah. So now the issue is that they are too familiar to make a distinction between them. Do we go with this one? Okay, the different instrument definitely helps. Are they distinct enough from each other? That I cannot tell you because I do not like the effect and I did not play with it enough, but someone in the gem comments will tell me if they don't like that. What we need, what else? Oh, a music toggle. I have a music toggle in all my games, and this won't be any different at all. Crawl, what is this? So that's music toggle false, and we want a new menu for it. Menu item 2. Just copy this. Music toggle. Hold on, we want this on true, on base, on a base volume. Music toggle X. I mean, we can type out music. We are not character bound, or at least we are far from that. So toggle music and we just copy this. We toggle the music. We just invert it at every button press. You do that and refresh the menu with the new value, and that's how you have a new menu item. But we'll toggle the music. Oh no, we need to actually do it in update. Update. And it is music. If music toggle, then music. I think we don't need technically the 0 else. I think it's -1 and a delay to turn it off, right? Let's see. Mon music. P to stop any music, yes. Fade length and mask, we don't care about the max, and it is a fade. Oh. Oh. Hold on. We just do this inside the menu we just created. Toggle music. Wasn't it toggle music? It's what? So now here we do this. So it starts on regular start and it fades out if you toggle. It starts again if you... I want a bigger fade out. I want you to suffer more if you want to turn down the music. Listen to this masterpiece. And it slowly fades away and turns off. But that's how we have a music toggle. Because people don't necessarily like the music we create. And maybe they want to turn it off and listen to their own music. Why are fruits falling? If you can see, fruits are flying in front of the text mode. Not the text mode, the game mode. So let's see. Unless game mode option. Game mode. Yes. Oh, yeah, we don't need draw menu. We have this whole thing. Yeah, inside draw. Get rid of the draw menu because we don't need it. Get rid of this. People are gonna get so confused on how this scene works, but now they are flying behind. I will need like 10 minutes soon to put my lepe into the oven, the Hungarian pizza thing, because that's what we are gonna eat today, and the oven is probably preheated enough. How is the dough? I didn't check on the dough. Hopefully it happens. Oh, the dough is fine. Thankfully I switched to a bigger bowl. Did I switch to endless? What is this tomfoolery? We should have a mode indicator on the top right corner. Yeah, I was in endless. Okay. I was like, this is not 20 seconds for sure. Like, not a chance. So... Okay, I need the music toggle. That's why we have the music toggle, because I'm getting sick of my own music. It's not good, but I'm not a... whatchamacallit? Composer, I think that is the nice word for music makers. I'm always listening to some bangers behind me and I'm bopping my head up and down. Yeah. It is a people DJ moment for sure. I don't want to put them behind clouds. And these are drawing the fruits. The fruits can be before them. I'm fine with that. Draw game mode indicator for gameplay. If game, oh, we can be cheeky. Gameplay. One is endless. One is 26. 2 is endless. So what we can do is draw outline, and we can do, what is the icon? The icon is this one. Oh, they are flipped. Oh. Okay, we are flipping these two. Oh, I cannot do this. Hold on, because I edited the code. Yes, okay. We are gonna do a trick where we're gonna use the game mode to indicate which sprite to draw, because the 20-second mode is 16, so we're gonna say 15 plus game mode for the sprite. And you're gonna say it to print to 120 and 2 with the one outline. But we switched the icons, so we're gonna switch them up here as well. 16, 17. Okay, the icon is there, it's just not at the right time, because we just want to do this during the gameplay. So if scene equals game with the double equals, because that's how you do the logical operator. And this should be 129, 19. What? I need this. So now it shows up on the very top. And if I switch to endless, we have the infinite icon. Hell yeah! Nice. I think that's basically all we need. Maybe the music is a bit too loud. How am I on the PICO-8? Oh yeah, this is definitely too loud. Like I'm on volume 1 and it is loud. Loud sound warning everyone in 3, 2, 1. So pull down a bit on your speakers. Yep, that's way too loud. I wish there was a way to sorry. We need to pull things down. Wait, you were at 1? What the hell? There is no way. There is no way those sound effects were at 1. I don't believe that. Oh Jesus, they were. What the fuck? Okay, I don't understand PICO-8 sounds. 2. Like this is the middle PICO-8 volume, right? I'm not tripping. It's not even the middle. What? What is going on? Jesus. Oh, whoa, no, we don't need you. Oh, you will be way too loud at 6. There's a volume config setting, maybe yours is high. Could be, I never touched any volume settings. These are fine, I think. A bit too loud, but I don't think it is. It's like a... It's the end of the world. It's not that loud, I think. It is loud, but there are explosions in the end. Check command config volume. You know way too much. Volume. Vol 8, quiet. Current volume 104. It is 96. Yeah, I'm like, what, 10% up from yours? But like still, I'm on the... I think shouldn't be this loud if you are not even half of the built-in PICO-8 volume, and this sound is like what, the second quietest? Yeah, it's on 2 on the 7 scale. Like what? It's here. And I'm on half PICO-8 volume. I don't understand the volume scale in the game in PICO-8. But that's why we have... SFX volume is pretty quiet normally. I mean, you already saw me always using really low volumes, but still. But at least now I know where to look in the configs, so I can do better things. Current file for volume. Head and numbers. I think I do freeze and false, if I remember correctly. But we could hear yours set at 1. I'm sorry. Yeah, that's why I don't understand PICO-8 music. So like if you can even tinker it on your device, then you have no chance on having a globally balanced sound system. I mean, I can pull these even more down, but hold on. This is already on 2. These are already on 2. And Bloop. Loop. Nope. Loop. Oh, that's no sound at all. I know. Let it die. Let it die down slowly. That's way too... Ah. Mouse. Mouse, please. Mouse, please. I mean, these should be... So these are the ones that should be loud because for those who want to play with wait, what? Where did the did I overwrite the menu item? Oh, I did. Oops. Oopsie. Oopsie daisy. That explains it. So yeah, if someone wants to play with button sounds, they should be the loudest thing. And we made a piano simulator inside the game. I need my lower sounds. This is just PICO-8 and the sounds irritate me. You have left. Okay, I need a music through. I will need a 5-minute break because I need to put in the food 7. Be right back. Music is done. So I think that's all. Let's pause this because we have our amazing little box symphony. No, I missed the cantaloupe. Wait, why is it on endless? It shouldn't be. Okay. Has a little delay when it starts the game, but it is to actually enforce the 20-second nature. Oh, I was too late for that food. There is a cantaloupe. Well then. Export index.html, overwrite, and we are done. I will create the each page and modify these things, edit the HTML code that it generated. You can create some nice borders if you edit this canvas. Here you can add to the border, and you can modify background color for the circle. So you can edit this border to give border to the PICO-8 window, and you can edit this background color to let it blend into the HTML page better. But yeah, we are done. Yes. I will finish the HTML page and upload the playable version and post it around. Probably today. I can do all this after stream. Do we have... Oh, I wanted to play the Blades and Souls. So yeah, this is Suika Hunt, our finished game, where we are shooting down these pesky fruits that are all over the internet recently. 5 of them, so we are going ham on the fruit economy. Farmers in shambles, but yeah, took us like what, 5 streams, I think, 4 or 5. We have the playlist on the YouTubes. The first 2 streams are already up for Suika Hunt. And yeah, next project is not gonna be a whatchamacallit, a gem game, I think, because I wanna have some time to fool around and play around. But a little teaser. Here's a little teaser for the next project. This is what we are gonna be playing and creating. We're gonna grab some dungeons and we're gonna crawl in them. Also little news text down there. But this is a really early age mock-up basically at the moment, so we will freshen things up. So yeah, let me find